What's going on? So to be wildly successful at anything you want to do, there are some certain key things you got to do. Most times people don't adopt the right mindset when approaching their work, when approaching their job. And so in this video, I'm going to tell you how to 10x anything you're doing and the way to do it. Before, hit that subscribe button. So therefore, you can get wonderful content just like this. So the number one thing you got to realize is that there's a difference between being an employee and an employer, right? There's also a difference between working in your business versus on your business. And sometimes people can do a quasi role, right? So they could be working in their business while working on their business at the same time, right? This is not good to do. And the reason why is because the moment that you work inside your business, there's no way to effectively get a full thought process on how to work on your business. Working on your business will exponentially grow your business by 5 times, 10 times what it is today. But you can't step not one step inside the business. This is where the problem lies. Now, I know you have to pay bills. I know there is a way in which things should be done in your business. And I know that you want things to be a certain way in your business because it optimizes the amount of money that you make. And I get that, and I understand that. However, the second part to this is that by setting up your standard operating procedures, or what they call SOPs, this will allow you to create a document, which is a step-by-step process on the way in which things should be done, on the processes and the way things should be done. It reduces miscommunication, it reduces bad quality output, and it allows everybody on your team to be on the same page with that particular thing. This is how it should be done. You don't deviate from that way in which things should be done. So get your standard operating procedures completed and finished. Take a step back from working in your business and work on this document for every part of your business, and your business will grow 10x. It will grow way bigger than what you think. Yes, now you may take a hit in terms of not making as much money as you would like working by not working in the business, because you can't be there, because your mind is going to be focused on these standard operating procedures. Do this, your business will grow exponentially. Until the next time, take care of yourself now.